Il sessione layer. Layer number 5. Layer mambo number 5. No, it doesn't work like that. Once data has been correctly translated or formatted from the presentation layer, the session layer will begin to create a connection to the other computer that the data is destined for. When a connection is established, a session is created. While this connection is active, so it is the sesiones. The session layer, mambo number 5, synchronizes the two computers to ensure that they are on the same page before data is sent and received. Once these I read cheesecake. Once these checks are in place, the session layer will begin to divide up the data sent into smaller chunks of data and begin to send these chunks, called packets, one at a time. This dividing up is beneficial because if the connection is lost, only the chunks that weren't yet sent will have to be sent again, not the entire piece of the data. Think of it as loading a save file in a video game. What is worthy of noting is that sessions are unique, meaning that data cannot travel over different sessions, but in fact only across each session instead. What is the name of this layer? Mambo number 5. Session. What is the technical term for when a connection is successfully established? A session. Please don't tell me it's session for this one also. All right. What is the technical term for small chunks of data packets?